How cool would this be? A combat throwing axe from a helicopter.
Jeez.
First one to do it?
Highlight.
Let's go. Find me someone. This house. I got my axe out.
Field, I think.
Oh, there he is.
No, yeah, we're right outside the house. Oh, okay, I'm gonna get you nice and close.
Nice
right,
and nice right here. No! Oh, I hit him! I hit him! Yes! Yes! Get out of here! Get out of here quick!
It's 1v1.
That's right.
Yes!
You live here now.
Watch this, chat. You want to see why you subbed to this channel? Right here. Wait.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
You over this hill? Okay. This guy's stunned down here. Coming. One's still lit next to you. You ain't gonna do nothing!
Place.
Mission area secure. Good work.
Doc, you're a legend.
A champion has recommitted.
Guy.
Uh-oh.
Further collapse expected. Travel to indicated safe zone.
You're kind of showing off now, aren't you?
Hellstorm awaiting deployment.
I ran out of ammo. Oh my god.
Sniper nest.
Scavenger back, dude.
Oh, that's it. GG.
I was about to get my fucking torch and rip. Okay, well.
Oh. Ah! He's got no armor.
Further collapse expected. Travel to indicated safe zone.
These boys are running. Oh, Mike! You're nutty!
Oh my god.
Nothing.
Bye me. Oh,
I see him.
Be advised. Further collapse
He's on me, he's on me.
relocate to safe zone.
got him.
Nice.
You're actually the best player to play the game, Mike. What the fuck?